Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to JSS Collections. So today I have come up with a few pieces for Diwali collection. It's a mixed one. It has a few western wear and also the traditional wear. So without much further delay, let's go to the video. So look at this such a beautiful long gown type churidar it is. Lotus pink color and it's an umbrella one. See, look at the flare and it has embroidery all over. See at the neck part, and it has a button detailing also on the one side, and it has a embroidery also lines, and bottom part is of total embroidery, all floral motifs embroidery. You can have a close look, and it's a silk one. You can wear it for parties and all. It's really a beautiful one, and not only that, you will not regret buying it because the embroidery is really pretty. See, such a beautiful embroidery it has. See, really it's beautiful, and especially the color is nice. It's a sober shade. Okay, it's a three-piece one. Comes with the leggings, and the leggings also, it's a really a beautiful one. You can have a close look. It has a shine. Okay, it's like a jersey one, not jersey, but it looks like that. It's a shiny one, and it comes with a net dupatta also. It's a three-piece one, and the size is double XL, and I'm going to provide you the clothes for free shipping as it is Diwali. It's like a offer, so it costs you 1200, and the size is double XL, and it's a free shipping. It costs you 1200 free shipping. Next is this beautiful, the ultimate gray color top it is. Okay, and it's it's a Indo-Western pattern actually. You can have a look. It has total crochet net sleeves. See, the total crochet net sleeves, and it has crochet net flip over type yoke part. Okay, the body part is totally the crochet one, and the bottom it has embroidery. You can have a close look. It has a maroon embroidery. It's a combination of grey and maroon. It's really beautiful one. Have a close look at the embroidery. It's a minimalist piece actually. Really, I am telling you, you can use it for as a office wear, and if you wear it for meetings and all, you look sober also. Really, it's very nice, and the size is L. The bust size is up to 40, and it costs you 650 free shipping. And this one is, as all of you know, the ultimate Lucknowi collection. I bought a few pieces of Lucknowi also because there is a demand for Lucknowi, and it's in a dark bottle green, and dark bottle green shade is in vogue now. So this is dark bottle green, and it comes with a mandarin collar. Have a look, and a one button openable. It has three buttons. Sorry, it has total buttons. Sorry, it is from top to bottom. It has buttons, you can see, but only the first one is openable, and you can see this embroidery. It's a total floral embroidery. Okay, and at the bottom also you have this flowers. See, it's really pretty, and it costs you 550 free shipping. And I have one more shade also in this. It is this red color. The pattern and everything is same. The shade is in red color. It is not the very dark one. It's a sober red actually, I can say, because it is like a tomato red. Okay, and it also costs you the same 550 free shipping. And the next is this beautiful dress. You can see it's a beautiful top actually. We can say it is the USB for this video. It is navy blue in shade and it has embroidery on the both sides. See, such a beautiful one. It's a combination of red, mustard yellow and orange color. Okay, it has one flower also here at in the middle. See, okay, and it has a string here. Okay, if you want you can tighten it here. Okay, see, such a beautiful one. And it comes with the tassels also, this string. And it's a total, at the bottom part it is plain. See, it's like this. It's a pleated one. You can see it has a small pleats. Only in the middle it has pleats. Okay. And the flare is, the sleeves are 3/4. Sorry, I forgot to tell. The sleeves are 3/4. And for the sleeves also it has this border. Okay, really it's a pretty one guys. Such a beautiful one. You can have a look. See, nice it is. And it comes up to ankle length. It's not the floor length top. And it costs you 700 free shipping. And look at this royal shade dress. See, such a beautiful royal blue color. Okay, and it's a floor length gown type top it is. Okay, and the sleeves are, it's the full sleeve, and it's really elegant top we can say, because it doesn't have over embroidery, over work, and it has only a slight embroidery. Okay, at the armhole and at the bottom of the sleeve and bottom of the top. That's it. And it's really beautiful one. Okay, see, such a beautiful it is. And it has a different pattern of pleats actually. See, it has a broad pleats. See, broad pleated one. See, it has like a V cut. Okay, and the same dress is worn by actress Rakul Preet in a movie. Okay, if you search pictures of Rakul Preet, you will get this dress. Actually, it was printed. Most of the dresses were of printed, but it has come with the embroidery. It is not the print. This total embroidery. Earlier I bought this dress the same pattern, but it was of print, but this has come with embroidery. Okay, really it's a pretty one, and you look stunning if you wear the border also. See, it has big motifs at the border. It costs you 750 free shipping, and the size is M, and the bust size is 38. And look at this celebrity pattern. Okay, it's a celebrity replica dress actually, and the shade is really wonderful. It's a coral shade actually. You look stunning if you wear this. Okay, and it's a western gown. It comes with a bow here. Okay, and it has a high collar neck with belt type. It is actually behind. You have to fix it here. Okay, and the neck behind is leaf shape. Okay, so if you fix it up like this, so it will be like this. Behind it has a leaf pattern neck, and front side is high collar with a belt. Okay, it's a western style gown, and the sleeves are 3/4. Okay, and it's a umbrella pattern, and it's really very heavy, guys. It's very heavy gown. See, look at the flare. Okay, really you look stunning if you wear this. It's a western gown. See, such a pretty one it is. Okay, and the cloth is, it is a netted cloth. It is that too high quality net it has, and it has a shining also. You can see it is shining. Okay, high quality net cloth it is. And let me check the size. The size is small. The bust size goes up to 36. And let me give you the length of the dress also. The length of the dress is 57 centimeters, and the size is S. The bust size goes up to 36, and it costs you 850 free shipping. Also, okay, it's a jeans short, really trendy. It's a western one. It has a, see, it's a one. You can see, you can have a look here, and it has a floral embroidery all over. Okay, and it has pockets also. It comes with a string. Okay, and the size is the size is 34. The waist size goes up to 34. See, behind also it has two pockets with the, see, it's a ribbed one. You can have a look. See, it is like this, and this costs you 400 free shipping. Printed palazzo. Okay, you can use it for regular wear. It costs you 200 plus free shipping. And I have one more shade also in this. It's a combination of navy blue and turquoise blue. You can see on the navy blue it has turquoise blue lines. Okay, and the one more palazzo is this pink shade. Okay, and the print is like this. You can have a look. Okay, it also costs you 200 free shipping. And look at this beautiful short top it is. You can pair it up with jeans or jeggings or skirts. It look very beautiful with the pencil skirt also. Okay, and the main attraction of this top is this floral motif on the yoke part. Have a close look. See, it has a floral motif, long patch with the golden color leaves and coral shade flowers and light pink rose also. It's really a sober one. Okay, you look elegant if you wear it. It costs you 350 free shipping. And I have one more pattern also with the same shade. It's a off-white one, and the size is L. The bust size goes up to 40. The size is L, and you costs you 450 free shipping. And it's a imported one. It's a really a beautiful cloth it is. See, such a stretchy one. It's a very soft. Okay, and the sleeves are short sleeves. You can see, you can have a look. Okay, and the one more pattern is this one. See, have a look. It also the same off-white in shade, and it has, actually the difference is the floral motif is different. See, such a beautiful one, and it suits for corporate culture. Really, you look official if you wear it. Okay, and the size is same, L. The bust size goes up to 40. Okay, and it too costs you for free shipping. So friends, I hope you liked my products. Whatever products you like, please take screenshot and send it to my number. My number is 9656 775528, and you can follow me on Instagram also. My Insta ID is JSS_collections123. And please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to give your suggestions in the comments below and share with your family and friends. Please share and don't forget to click the like button. Most of you are watching the video but forgetting to like. Please click the like button. Then only I can grow. So I need your support. Please shower some love. Last but not least, don't forget to click the subscribe button and make it all. Then only you will get all notifications whenever I upload a video. Bye bye.